Hello people. So after long, this is just like one of these chatting videos because no, yeah, life can get very overwhelming, right? Doing this, doing that, it's like a long to-do list. But beyond a point, I think it's that kind of to-do list. Setting goals, meeting goals is what gives life meaning. Because of late, really, with all this COVID situation, it, it can get you can start feeling depressed. So at a time like that, you need some kind of personal goal to which when you achieve it is very fulfilling. It kind of makes sense of the world around. And keeping that in mind, of late I have begun just praying for the world, like just pray for everyone and the entire planet as such. And you can actually feel much better doing that, otherwise this COVID situation can get very overwhelming. So really, this is again less than 1 minute gyan, but I just felt I had to make this video. So really, and see, I'm back to wearing my uniform. This particular dress, I've always worn it all through the lockdown last time, and even now. So, and it is held me in good stead. It's still in a good shape. So that kind of is kind of indicative of, if you just, we all can sail through things. Yeah, just believe in that. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.